How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So if not, go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and then click on the update button if it is available. Assuming now that you have done updating your TikTok app, you may now open it and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. So there are actually two ways in switching or adding multiple accounts on TikTok. So the first one is the easiest and the shorter way, and the second one is the longer but also easy way. So the first one is just by clicking on this option right here, which is the drop down arrow. So click on it, and then you may see the add account option right here. And then with the second way, you may click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen, go to settings and privacy, scroll down, and you may see the switch account option right here. So click on it and then click on add account right here. So you may add an account using your phone or email, your Facebook, your Apple, your Google, your Twitter, your Line, and also your KakaoTalk. So if you have a login information already or you have an existing account, then go to login right here. But if you want to sign up with another account, then choose these options right here. So if you are in, um, whenever you click login right here, then you will see, still see the same options right here. So make sure to prepare first your email or your username as well as your passwords of your account so that you may log in easily. So that's it. That's how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.